Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kisha if you guys are new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my bedroom and bathroom tour. I'm super excited to film this for you guys just because I finished organizing and cleaning it. So I'm super excited to just show you what my room looks like, how I decorate it, what I use to organize, and where I got all my furniture from. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, then make sure to keep on watching. Before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, and like this video, especially if this is something that you guys enjoy watching. Follow me on Instagram. It is Kisha Alejandra, which is my YouTube name, and my Instagram are going to be the same now. I did want to mention that my vanity here behind me wasn't really mentioned too much into detail just because I have a separate video on everything. So if you guys are interested in seeing my makeup collection and vanity tour, then I will have that video linked down below or up top here as well. I also did want to mention that, you know, growing up, I used to want to have a nice, beautiful matching bedroom set, but you know, both my parents were single, finances were tight for both of them here and there, so it just wasn't in the books for me, which is totally understandable seeing how hardworking they are. You know, when I was younger, I decided that when I got my first job that I would just start saving up for furniture and stuff. So I've had a few of these furniture pieces for about 7 years now, and everything else I've purchased on my own, as obviously I've gotten older and realized I don't really need my parents to buy me these type of things. If you want something, you go out and do it. I've always worked hard for all the stuff that I've purchased. I know that's so annoying to hear sometimes, but anyways, I think it's super important to have a nice, beautiful room just because it's your own space. It's a bit of you. I feel like every time I have a nice, organized, clean room, I wake up more positive and the energy just feels a lot more motivating. So yeah, but anyways, let's just get started. Okay, so starting from the door, this is my bedroom. I'll just give you an overall view. So that's my closet, my dresser, my bed, you know, the window, my vanity, and that's my bathroom. So I think I'm gonna start off with the bathroom first, just because it's the first door we're gonna go through. Here's my bathroom. There we are. So right here I just have my scale, which I don't really use anymore. Right now I would say I'm living my best life. And then right here I have my decorative towels. My white ones are the decorative towels, and then the other one is like kind of like a hand and face towel. I just don't use the white ones there. They're just for display. I usually always use this one. And then this towel here, I always use when I wash my hands and stuff. But I have some art pieces which are from Homesense. They always have really nice art pieces. And then right here is my bathtub. So I also have this cute little flower vase and flowers. I got them both from Ikea. And then right up top here, I have some candles there. And then I have my bath bombs and bubble bath and Epsom salt for my bath. And then I have some body lotions there as well. And then right in this drawer, I have all my clips. So I have so many different types of clips. I have my scrunchies in this drawer here. I have a few more, I just forgot where I put them, but yeah, I keep all my scrunchies in here. And then right here are my candles. I think the bottom two are from Homesense and the top one is Bath and Body Works. And then those lotions are from Bath and Body Works as well. And then right here I just have another candle on my toilet. And then there's just a garbage can there. And then right here, I have some hand soap. And then these are all the products that I use every day. So I have like my deodorant, my spray deodorant, my face wash, my SPF spray, my face lotion, my gel, my dry shampoo, my volumizer, my makeup remover. I just have a lot of stuff here. And then right here, I just keep my toothbrush and toothpaste. I have 2 sinks, so yeah. So right here is where I take my showers. I just have all my products in there, and then my face wash is at the bottom there. This is where I normally hang my towel, but I was cleaning towels today, so the towel's gone. But these are also where I keep my, you know, bathroom robes. And then, yeah, so I told you guys about my hand towel. And then just inside of here, I keep all my stuff organized. So I have paper towel, I have my brush cleaning supplies right there, all my hot tools there. So that's what's in there. And then this top drawer is just randoms. I have all my medicine up top there, and then this area is just empty. And then I have some cotton pads, some Q-tips, and then in this drawer I just have my hairbrushes and stuff and some elastics. And then this drawer here, I have more hair tool stuff, just gadgets that go on, and combs, and then bobby pins and hair ties and elastics. And then right in here, I don't know if you guys want to see all this stuff, but I kind of organized it. So I organized all my stuff and I tried to put like the hair products in one and face stuff in one, but then I kind of mixed them all. So they're just random. And then I have some cleaning supplies in the back there. So yeah, that's all the stuff that I have in here. And then toilet paper, obviously. So yeah, that is my bathroom. Okay, so this is the vanity area, and I have a in-depth video about it. So it's my makeup collection 2020. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, I will have the video linked down below or up top here. So starting with this stuff here, the butterfly is just from the dollar store, as well as that little plant there as well. And then I got that candle from Homesense, and then I did forget where I got that sleigh sign, but I do think I got it from Homesense. I'm just not 100% sure. And then these little boxes that I use as shelves, I think they were from Target when we had Target a while back. I think you can get them at Walmart. And then this trolley thing that is a 10-drawer trolley thing that I keep all my makeup stuff in. I believe I got it from Michael's. I think I got the small one from Amazon. And then my vanity is from Ikea. The chair is from Ikea. The pillow is from Homesense. And then the flower vase is from Ikea, and then my mirror is from Homesense as well. So if you want to know more details on this area here, then make sure to check out my makeup collection video. I do also want to find something to put on top of my mirror there because I feel like the space is so empty. And then this is just my window. I keep my curtains on there. I have black curtains, and then I have my white curtains as well. My window's open so you can kind of see through the black curtains. But yeah, I just have it like that on a hook. And I really like the way it looks, especially during nighttime. I'm gonna open the window, I need some air. And then that's just my outside. I'm not gonna show you too much. And then just walking here, my end table from Ikea. And then in these drawers here, I just have random stuff. So there's just a photo of my mom, extra photos there. And then this one's super unorganized, so I don't even think it'll let me open it. I just keep these fake plants here. I think I got them from Daiso in Richmond, if any of you guys know where that is. And I think the vase was from Daiso as well. The lamp here is from Homesense, I believe. Sorry if I keep sniffling. I think I'm getting a cold. This lamp is from Homesense. And then this little portrait in the back here is from my friend. She made this for me. Regine, thank you. This is so cute and thoughtful. I have my abuelo and abuelita here. Then I have Shauna, Chelsea, and Antonia. You know, us right here. There's Regine and Chelsea. My dad, mom, and abuelita. So I just keep it up. It actually turns on. Obviously looks a lot cuter at night. Such a cute little vibe with the candles lit. I also have these LED lights that I turn on, you know, every now and then. But yeah, I'll just keep those on for now. So that is that. And then my bed here, the blanket, this furry blanket here is from Homesense. My duvet cover is from Ikea. These two little pillows here are from Ikea as well. And then the sheet set I think is also from Ikea. So the bed set, basically Ikea and Homesense. And then this beautiful bed frame is from Wayfair. But they have a whole controversy scandal going on. I don't know if you guys want to buy from there right now. It's pretty crazy. And then right here I have my Ikea dresser, which is, you know, I've had it for 7 years, so it's kind of worn down. And then I have some perfume here that I never really wear. And then this is just my light switch for these lights here. I want to switch these ones to a different vibe, which I think is so cute. So I could just change them to whichever color. And then I also have those ones as well, but I'll let you guys know that in a bit. I got this holder from Amazon. I just keep all my sunglasses on there. I only have one spot left, so I have to stop buying glasses. And then this jewelry holder is from Michael's, as well as this little one here as well. And then just another photo. I have little photos everywhere. And then my necklaces. Most of them are from Shein, if you guys were wondering. And then my earrings. I like a lot of earrings from H&M, if you guys were wondering. And then I have this one from Michaels as well that holds my watches and bracelets. And then another fake plant here from Daiso. And then also like, I think the vase is from Daiso, which is in Richmond. It's like a dollar store. And then this jewelry holder, I believe is from Michaels, which I keep, you know, my rings and my earrings on as well. And then just like some little pendants for my necklaces. It's a little dusty, but that is that. And then up top here, I just have a fake plant from Ikea, and then the vase is from Ikea as well. And then that picture, dreams don't work unless you do. So true. That is from Homesense. And then just another photo and then another plant from Ikea. That's what that area looks like. And then we're gonna move on. So now we're gonna see what this other remote is for. So the other remote is for my closet. I put in some LED lights around my closet just to give it a little vibe in here. I really wanted to make it look different. So I have these ones over here, and then the LED lights in my closet as well. In my closet, I have all my shoes here. These shoe racks I actually got from Walmart, and they were brown. I believe they were like a wooden rusted color, and I just got my dad to help me spray paint them black so they would just match with my room. So we did that. I just keep all my extra hangers, all my graphic tees right here. I don't really have much, but I do want to get more, so I just keep my t-shirts there. And then up top here, I have my blazers, which I need to stop buying now because I feel like I have too many. And then I have a blazer romper, and then I have like my faux leather jacket, this other faux leather jacket, my, what do you call these ones? Bomber jacket. And then some jean jackets here, and then some printed jackets, some faux fur jackets, and then some faux fur vests as well. And then up there, I just keep some bins there. So one I believe is like my workout stuff. So my ankle strap, my workout bands, my skip rope are in one. And then I just have like a bunch of photos in one, and then I think the other one's like old jewelry and stuff that I was thinking of giving away. I wasn't sure. But right here I also have like all my shirts and stuff. So my shirts, obviously I wear a lot of black, so my black side's looking a lot crazier than the other side. So I keep all my blacks on one, and then I kind of color coordinate them all. Yeah, I think I need some yellow clothes. I don't have anything yellow, and purple. I think I need to get some yellow shirts, and purple is my goal this year. So yeah, I need to expand my color palette. And then up here I keep like old sweaters and stuff for, you know, the winter time. It's obviously not winter right now, so I want to keep them tucked away. I keep my strapless shirts up there in one, and then I keep my skirts in one, and then my bathing suit stuff. So that's what's all up there in those bins. And then right here I just have all my purses. I have a couple on display here, and then I have this organizer I got from Amazon, which I will have linked down below. But they just hold all the purses that I have as well, which I really love because I had so many at one point and they were all just lying here. So yeah, now I just keep my gym bag there. And then I got this bag from my abuelita in Mexico. She got me that I think 3 years ago. So I just keep it there. I love it. And then I just keep all my trousers there, and then my jeans and my jean shorts, and then my biker shorts there as well. And then I think there's a bin right there that I keep all my hats in. And then my shoes here, I just keep all my black shoes, and then right here are my nudes, and then I have all my runners and stuff, and then booties, and then all my white shoes. And I didn't realize I have a lot of knee-high boots, so yeah. But yeah, those are all my shoes. And that is my closet. So hopefully you guys liked that. And then we're back at the mirror here. And then that's just a workout barbell pad. I just keep that there. So here, I'll just give you guys another overview of my room. Alright you guys, so that was the end of today's video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below if you guys really enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And again, if you do want to check out my makeup collection, I will have that video linked down below. I know I didn't really go into too much detail about it, so if you guys are interested in seeing more about it, then the video will be linked down below. Follow me on Instagram. It is Kisha Alejandra, which is the same as my YouTube name. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.